Welcome back to the channel. Today we found a random Pokemon vending machine. We were curious, so we decided to try our luck. Stay tuned to see what we got.
Thank you.
See what you got, what you got.
Wow!
Nice EX cards.
Ugly or yes.
What do you think?
Okay, man.
What'd you get? What you get?
Pikachu!
Bruh.
Wow, that's I don't know what I got. This
That's
is
nice.
nice.
Those are nice cards.
But this is nice. That one's nice.
I also decided to take a try off camera and ended up uncovering a nice full art. Let me know if you thought this was worth our $5 in the comments below.